Now, when you get this shock, when you get it and take it out of the box, obviously nothing's assembled here, correct?
Correct.
You need to make sure on these rubber grommets that the cone is going towards the frame, and then it's actually got a slot, or I don't know what you call it on the rubber that goes down in the frame. I've seen a lot of guys that either over tighten these or under tighten them, and then you get a kind of like a dead spot in the shock. It's really not a dead spot. It's basically you just got a gap there.
Yeah, good point. A tech tip to talk about when we've got a stud type upper mount is you want to poke the shock up through the frame with the washer and one rubber grommet on it, and then go up through the frame. Then we go down with the rubber grommet. We do go back on with the washer, and then we use a double jam nut here. We want to take the first jam nut and just snug it against the washer, and then cinch the second jam nut against the first one, because Rex, we're going to have some movement as the control arms go up and down. And if we cinch these rubbers so tight that we pinch it, we can do damage. We can bend the stud. I've seen in some extreme cases, it broke the shaft because we had everything so tight. When the control arms moved, it just snapped it. So a very good point. And again, a tech tip, first jam nut goes down and just snug against the washer, second jam nut against it. And we want to have a little bit of movement here when we're done.